What's up YouTube? Matt Vogt, callsign Jerry with another bite-sized AI. Oh, you're here for the neural nets. Perfect, me too. But be careful. That's foreshadowing. Watch until the end. Neural nets, or neural networks. Even if you don't think you've ever touched AI, you've heard of the term neural networks.
The CPU is a neural net processor, a learning computer.
What are they? Why do people keep raving about them? Great question, thanks Topanga. A neural network is an AI inspired by the neurons and synapses in the human brain. If humans are intelligent, then if we can just model silicon circuits off the brain, then they can be intelligent too, right? Or perhaps even more intelligent. Neural networks interpret inputs, basically numbers, and then feed those numbers through an intricate and increasingly deep number of neurons that develop a more abstract understanding of that data. Neural networks can help us cluster and classify. They can label novel data. They can recommend solutions. They can even create works of art. They can help us make numerical sense of an otherwise complex, overwhelming, and fast-moving world. Because electricity can travel much faster than a series of neurons can fire, these neural nets may theoretically be more powerful than the human brain someday. By the summation of inputs and weights, these bad boys are able to do some pretty heavy lifting. Neural networks are great at image recognition. Take a look at these pictures. What's going on? This deep neural net was able to recognize a couple of young people playing a game of frisbee. Look at that little white dot. That's crazy that it even knew that that was a frisbee. In the middle picture, it veers a little bit off. Yes, these are hockey players, but they're likely on the same team, so they aren't really fighting over a puck. But this neural net's training led it to believe that. Then, in the far right picture, you can see that it thinks that a little girl in a pink hat is blowing a bubble. I'm not sure that this is a little girl. It thinks it is based on the pink hat, but she/he is definitely not blowing a bubble. These three pictures do a good job at expressing the great power and challenges of AI. Today's neural nets aren't just looking at pictures of frisbees. They can diagnose cancer better than the leading oncologists. Wow. How about sound and speech? Yup, they can do that too. Look at this AI that is able to take black and white photos and voila, turn them into color 100 years later. How do we know what colors these things were before? Well, we have thousands of training examples from subject matter experts, of course. How about this AI that is able to generate novel images from simple inspiration? All this AI needs is a muse, and it goes to work creating beautiful images, or even turning day into night. And now, welcome to the main event. In the blue corner, we have the genuine, authentic human. And in the red corner, we have Deepfake. Stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen, for the next event where these two fight. Smash the likes, subscribe if you're not already. This is Jerry. See ya.